Yeah, we're in Capitol Reef National Park in Utah, and we're on the Hickman Bridge Trail. It's a 2-mile round trip, and we're out here having fun.
Yes, we are.
Lots of steps on this trail. So what we see in front of us right there, that's Capitol Dome. Still having fun, Susan? Yeah, this trail, a lot of steps, lots of steps. Oh. Not good for short-legged people. Oh, we're almost at the top. Sun out of there. There you go. Just think, when you have to come up, you have to go down. Here's the down part. Then we get to come back up, and then we get to go back down again. And if you got short legs, these are not good steps. Checking out a survey marker. $1947. Check out, we got a small bridge right here. Check this out. We got a small bridge there. Here's another bridge. And from there, it looks like it goes underground. First view of the bridge. It's right over there. We have Hickman's Bridge. Cool. Looks like a lot of major rockfall. This is it. Hickman's Bridge. So guys, you see Hickman's Bridge behind us. There's a loop trail here, but we're gonna go back the way we came. And that's the way we came. Okay, that was the Hickman Bridge hike. If you guys like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe out there.